Hi, I'm Jennifer from the Wayne County Public Library at Wooster, and today I would like to share with you how I make vegetable stock. Since we're getting into the cold weather season, I'm definitely here for the soup. So making some vegetable stock at home is a great way for me to first use up some vegetable scraps and two, add extra flavor to my soups. So let's get started. So to make the vegetable stock, I'm going to start with my stock pot, and I have cut up into chunks 1 onion, a couple of garlic cloves, and I've left the skins with them because you can use those too, a couple of small potatoes, 1 small sweet potato, a carrot, and some celery that I got out of the freezer. I've also got a couple of small white turnips in here just so I can use them up. Now, making vegetable stock is a great way to use up some vegetable scraps. So what I usually do is when I've got some kale stems or the leaves from radishes or turnips or carrots or some extra parsley or celery that I can't get through, I'll chop them up and store them in the freezer to use for stock. So what I have in this bowl is kale stems, radish tops, and parsley. And then I'm going to add to that my seasonings of black pepper, a couple of allspice berries, a couple of bay leaves, and the remains of a stem of rosemary. So now that I have it all together in the pot, I've just filled it up with some cold water, and I'm going to put it on the stove, bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer at a low heat for about an hour. And then we'll see what happens. After the stock is done, then let it cool for a little bit, and you can strain it directly into some glass quart jars. I usually get 3 or 4 quarts out of a pot of stock. And usually it looks pretty golden, but because this time I used a purple sweet potato, it came out a very rosy red, which I think will work nicely in a tomato soup. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make vegetable stock, and I hope you'll give it a try at home. Until next time, keep cooking.